1.25. She is appropriately rewarded highly. And now we'll see if the balance beam sounds the same sort of way with Hollie Vise. It probably will.
Well, it can. There's no doubt about that. At last year's national championships, she earned one of the guaranteed spots to compete at the World Championships.
What Hollie has had to do with this routine is alter it slightly. She's had to take out some of the extreme flexibility, which she is known for on this event.
Right here you see one of them.
She's not holding that position any longer.
Says that the pounding bothers her back as well as the major arch, but this is major
Big
tumbling
test.
right here. Flip-flop to a full. Oh.
Very, very difficult element right there. Gives her huge bonus points. Losing sight of the beam, very risky.
She only has 2 opportunities, both tonight and in the finals, to prove her case that she's good enough, opting out of floor exercise and vaulting and choosing to do her strongest events, balance beam and uneven bars.
Really tough dismount, taking the entire length of the beam.
Whoa.
Saved it.
That was close. Well, I tell you, she got that leg back, but almost sat down on that.
Yeah, it was good. Just not yet. Good sender.